Good morning, students. This is lecture number 6. In this lecture, we are going to discuss the exercise 5D. So, let us start with the question. I think in lecture number 4, we did some question on multiplication and division. There is a concept of reciprocal. Okay. First of all, we will discuss that reciprocal. Reciprocal means if we have a number that is 1 by 3 and we have to find out the reciprocal of this number. So reciprocal of 2 by 3 is 3 by 2. Okay, just we have to change the numerator with denominator and denominator with numerator. This is very simple. Okay, you have to use this reciprocal in division method. Okay. Okay, question first. Multiply is indicated and reduce the product to its lowest term. Reduce the product to its lowest term. It means you have to simplify. Okay, I had already discussed that you have to regularize with this method. Okay, so that it will be easier for you to use in any question. Question first. The first part is 9 into 2 by 3. 9 into 2 by 3 means you have to first of all cancel 3 with this. So the answer is 3 into 2, that is 6. Okay. Okay, next part is fifth part. Rest of the part are your homework. Okay. In multiplication and division, you don't have a headache of to take the LCM. Okay. You have to directly multiply or simplify the numbers. In this question, we have three fractions. First of all, 5 cancel with this, 4 with this, 4 4 is 16. Now the remaining terms are 3 upon 7 into 4. So the answer is 3 upon 28. Very simple. This will 10 into 2 20, 23 upon 10 into 3 upon 5. So here you have to multiply because no one is cancelled with this. So answer is 69 upon 50. Okay, 69 upon 50, or you can reduce it like this, that 1 whole 19 upon 50. If you want to find out the mixed fraction of that fraction. Okay. Now the second question, find out value of 1/4 of 1 minute. Okay, we have question that 1 by 4. 1 by 4 means 1 by 4, 1 upon 4 of 1 minute. 1 minute means we have 60 seconds. Okay, 4 cancel with this, 4 15 ja. So it means 15 seconds is our answer. Okay, 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. 4 cancel with this, 15 seconds. 5 by 6 of a leap year. In leap year we have 366 days. Okay, just cancel with this, 6 6 ja 36 and 6 1 ja this. So 5 into 61, that is 305. So 305 days is the 5 by 6 of a leap year. Okay, total days in a leap year is 366, and you have to find out 5 by 6 of a leap year, that is 305. Now the last part, second and last part is your homework. In last part you have to first of all find out the number of hours. In one day you have 24 hours, cancel with 8, 8 3 is 24, and 7 into 3, that is 21 hours. That is 7 by 8 of one day. Okay. Now question number third, find the reciprocal of 4 by 5. Reciprocal of 4 by 5 is 5 upon 4. 7 means 7 by 1. So reciprocal of 7 by 1 is 1 by 7. Okay. 3 whole 2 by 7. 3 7 21 plus 2, 23 upon 7 means 23 upon 7. It means 7 upon 23 is the reciprocal. Next term you have to first add. Okay, we will discuss this. Okay, first of all we have to simplify this. 3 to 6 plus 1, 7 by 2 plus 8 plus 5, 13 upon 8. Okay, then we have to add. For adding we have to take LCM. LCM is 8 because 8 is the multiple of 2 as well as 4. So we have to multiply 2 with 4 and 7 with the 4 plus 13 upon 8. Now 7 into 4, that is 28 plus 8 plus 13 upon 8. So 28 plus 13 is 41 upon 8. Okay, 41 upon 8 is the number. And we have to find out the reciprocal of this number. So that is 8 upon 41. Now question of fourth, we have to divide 35 by 1. Okay, moving to the next question. Question number 4, we have to divide. Here we have the use of reciprocal. How it is? 35 divided by 1 by 5 means 35 into 5 by 1. Reciprocal of 1 by 5 is 5 on 1. So just multiply 35 5 with 5, that is 175. Okay, now here 8 by 12 multiply with 18 by 5. So first of all solve. Divide both the number with 4. 4 to the 8 and 4 3 is 12. 3 with 18, 3 6 is 18. So remaining terms are 2 into 6 upon 5, that is 12 upon 5 is the answer. You have to, if you want to change this number in mixed fraction, that you have to change 2 whole 2 upon 5. Now here is 33 upon 4. Divide means multiply. Okay, just change, first of all change in this mixed fraction in improper fraction. 6 minus 6 plus 5, 11 upon 6. So reciprocal of this is 6 upon 11. So 11 3 is 33 and multiply, divide by 2, it means 2, and divide by 2, it means 3. So 3 3 is 9, 9 upon 2. Okay, we have to divide 6 as well as 4 by a common digit, that is 2, because both 4 and 6 are in the table of 2. So you have to divide by 2, 2 to the 4 and 2 3 is 6. And here you have to divide 11 3 is 33. 5 is 40 plus 5, 45 upon 8. Divide by 25 upon 4. Just reciprocal, 45 by 8, 4 upon 25. Okay, 4 to the 8. Okay, now you have to simplify these two terms by using the division by 5. 5 5 is 25 and 5 9 is 45. So answer is 9 into 1, 9 upon 2 into 5, that is 10. So 9 by 10 is the answer. Rest of the part are your homework. Okay. Now we will discuss the question number 5th. Question number 5th. In first part, first you have to multiply, then divide by third number. Okay, so now we will discuss question number 5th. We have 1 whole 1 upon 24. Okay. First of all, we have to simplify this. 21 plus 1, 25. 24 upon plus 25 upon 24. 5 to the 8. 4 to the 8. 4 to the 8 plus 1. 9 upon 4. Divide by 14 plus 1. 15 upon 14. Okay. First of all, we have to simplify these two. 25 into 9, that is 225, and 24 into 4, that is 96. Divide, instead of here you have to multiply, and just reciprocal of these two is this. Okay, now you have to simplify these two numbers. Cancel 15 with this. 15 1 15, 7 5 75, so 15 cancel with this. Now 96. Okay, 14 cancel with 2, 7 and 2, this 48. So answer is 15 into 7. Okay, 15 into 7 upon 48 into 1, that is 48. So answer is 105 upon 48. Okay, now we have to divide these two numbers, because this is not the simplest form of this, because 8 plus 4 we have to divide it by 3. If you divide that, 35 upon 36 is the 40, that is 12, 16. Okay, 3, if you divide 105 by 3, that is 35, and divide by, if you divide 48 by 3, that is 16. So 35 upon 16 is the answer. And further, if you want to find out the mixed fraction, that will is 2 whole 3 upon 16. Now similarly you have to solve this question. 27 plus 13, that is 40 upon 27, into 12 into 2, 24 plus 11, 35 upon 12. Divide. So instead of divide, you have to multiply. Okay, first you have to divide. Okay, 9 3 is 27 plus 1, 28 upon 9. Now you have to cancel out. Okay, the terms which are cancelled. Let this will be divided by 4, and 4 10 is 40 and 4 3 is 12. So 10 into 35. 35 means 35 into 10, that is 350, and 27 into 3, that is 81. Now you have to, instead of divide, you have to multiply and just change with 9 upon 28. Now 9 9 is 81, so this is 9 and cancel both the term with 7 because 7 5 is 35, so 50 and 7 4 is 28. Now we have 50 into 1, 50 into 1, okay, this is 50 into 1, 50 upon 9 into 4, that is 36. So 50 upon 36 is the answer. If you want to simplify in the mixed fraction form, so it will become 1 whole 14 upon 36, or we can say that this will further solve by 2. Okay, 25 upon 18, so 25 upon 18 we will like this. Okay, 1 whole 7 upon 8 is the answer. Now we have question number 6. The given that in question product of two fraction is 10 whole 5 by 7, that is 75 upon 7. Okay, if one of the number is given at 1 whole 5 by 7, that is 12 by 7. So we have to find out the second number. Let us, according to question, we have the multiplication of this, the first number, and with unknown number, let this will be x, is 75 by 7. Now we have to find out the value of x. For finding the value of x, okay, we have to just, okay, x 12 upon 7 into x equal to 75 upon 7. So if here x is multiplication, in multiplication, so we have to divide 75 by x divide by 12 by 7. Okay, just reciprocal both the terms in the second number. Okay, so you have 7 upon 12, 7 cancel with this, and 12 and 75 cancel with 3, 3 4 and 3 25, so 25 upon 4 is the answer. 25 upon 4 means you have 6 whole 1 upon 4, so that will be the answer. This is question number 6. Okay, after that you have to solve, note down this. Now we will move towards the question number 7, and question number 8 is your homework. Okay, Manu said that 4 by 5 divided by this, first you have to reciprocal, is equal to 5 by 4 into 10 by 7. Is this correct or not? In first part you have to first of all reciprocal the 7 by 10 with 10 by 7, and in second part you have to just multiply. Okay, if equal then you have to explain. Okay, seventh part, in seventh part we have 3 by 5 divided by 1 by 5. We have a number in somehow different form, like 3 by 5 by 1 by 5. Question number 7, first part. Okay, in this type of question we have to eliminate these two terms as a single term, and this will be a single term. Like this we have 3 by 5 and divide by this, it means divide by 1 by 5. Okay, so you have 3 by 5 into 5 by 1, because reciprocal of 1 by 5 is 5 by 1, and instead of divide you have to multiply. Now cancel with this, 3 upon 1, answer is 3. Similarly you have to take the rest of the part. Okay, in third part you have only 2 digits, like you have 12 upon you have 12 upon 4 upon 9, like this. Okay, third part, so you have to 12 divide by 4 by 9. Okay, now 12 upon 1 into 9 by 4, 9 by 4 means 4 is 12, and you have 3 into 9, that is 27. So 27 is the answer. Okay, thank you so much. Question number 8 is your homework, and we will discuss exercise 5E in the next lecture. Okay, in the test, okay students, you will have a test on, I think, 5th of July, sorry 5th of August, on Wednesday. Okay, in the test you have to prepare up to 5E. Okay, except 5F you have to prepare. Okay, chapter number 4th complete and chapter 5th up to 5E. Okay, in the upcoming lecture we will discuss 5E. Okay, thank you so much.